On this channel, guys, my number one goal has always been to help you find the next big narrative and also front run it. In this episode, guys, I'm going to talk about a new ecosystem. An ecosystem that I've been very bullish on if you are reading between the lines, if you are checking my tweets, and that ecosystem is going to be AVAX. Now in this episode, I'm going to talk about a few picks from the AVAX ecosystem, and I'm going to show you why I am positioning right now. So if this is the type of content you enjoy, guys, then make sure that you drop a like and also smash that subscribe button. And now, guys, let's get right into it.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
So guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me yet again. First off, let's take a look at the chart of AVAX itself. So right here you can see, guys, that we are currently sitting at $33, and I mentioned about it. I mentioned that I am getting a spot bag at like $18, which was right around here on the weekly time frame. Absolute bottom yet again. If you have been following me on X, you are basically front running every single thing, be it the pump trade, which I called below 0.0030, and it has done more than a 2.5x so far, probably going to continue much higher. Be it the Solana trade, I mentioned that Solana is going to outperform Ethereum in the next leg up, and that has exactly been the case. And if you have been following, guys, then you are definitely front running every single narrative. But if you're not following me, then guys, make sure that you do so. It's at 0xKaroshi on Twitter. All right. We are very close to 10,000 followers as well. So when that happens, I am going to plan some really cool giveaway for you all as well. Now, coming back to the chart of AVAX right around here, I am expecting a move all the way to around this zone, which is around $42, $43. And then we are going to look for some sort of a retrace, potentially coming back right around here at like $33, $35. And then we are looking for a breakout and new highs. Eventually, guys, you're still looking at new all-time highs for AVAX in the cycle itself, in my opinion. And from the current prices, if I see how much of a gain it is just to cross the all-time highs, it is going to be a 345% gain, which is a 4.4x. But I do believe that this cycle, AVAX could actually surprise a lot of people, and we could see a much explosive move higher to around $200, $250 is also possible. All right. Now, if I talk about DeFi Llama, then you can see we haven't yet reached the TVL levels that we reached in 2021, which was around $10 billion in AVAX. Right now, we are sitting at $2 billion. But still, if you see, this ecosystem has been just grinding towards the upside. Even though if you check the price, we have been creating lower highs and lower lows. So probably you're looking at a downtrend here until and unless we break out from here onwards, and that would basically start the beginning of an uptrend. But if you check out the TVL, then it has been creating higher highs and higher lows, right? This is an uptrend. So that is why I am really keen about this ecosystem as well. Now, the first play that I think has absolutely bottomed on AVAX is going to be this one right here. It's Black Hole DEX. This is by 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦, and the tech that goes behind this DEX is insane, guys. Right now, it has lost all of the hype. The initial launch hype that you can see right around here, we went from the launch price of $42 million all the way to around $200 million. Then price plummeted towards the downside. But right now, guys, you can very clearly see we are forming some sort of a structure which looks like a possible bottom, right? There is support. There is some buying pressure coming right around here in this region at like $30, $35 million market cap. So I believe that this could have been already bottomed out, and we are looking for an explosive run towards the upside once we see a breakout here, and then we are looking for new all-time highs on this one as well. I'm really bullish on the black token, so definitely you pay attention to this one if you wish. Again, guys, nothing in this video is financial advice. Now, before I move on to the other plays from the AVAX ecosystem, let's just quickly consider the plays, the Solana meme coins that I have shared with you all in the last few weeks. All right, so the first one is going to be right here. It's 𝗕𝗘𝗪. As you can see, I mentioned about this support zone acting as a strong confluence at $7 million. We have seen a breakout as well from this downtrend, the yellow line. And right now, I am just waiting for price to flip the $9.6 million resistance. Once we do that, we are looking at again coming back around $12 to $13 million. And once we flip that as well, we are looking at new all-time highs. This remains to be the bag of the cycle. This is the only meme which is incomparable to anything else, and it is irreplaceable by anything else as well. A lot of people are going to fade this, but guys, you have to understand this is holding very well around $9, $7, $8 million market cap, and this came all the way from like $40,000 market cap back in August, just 1 month ago. It has done a 500x from 40K to $20 million, right? So there was some profit taking, which is absolutely normal. And this retrace is giving me high hopes that we are looking for much higher prices. If I give you a small price target in the shorter term, then you're looking at the 1.618 extension, which is going to take us to $28 million. After that, we are looking at higher prices as well. I would say the next zone after $28 million is going to be around $63 million. But I do believe this is a play which could easily hit $100 million in the next 3-4 months. If it does not, guys, then I might be just completely wrong about it. But that is what my conviction says, and I am going to stick with my conviction. That is why I mentioned yesterday as well that I have bought more right here at $7.6 million market cap yesterday, and I have doubled down on my bags. All right. Apart from that, guys, if you're looking at 𝗬𝗎, then it has been holding really well on this support resistance flip. This region was acting as resistance right here at $2.4 million market cap. It acted as support here, and then again, we are finding support at the same region. So I don't think that it is wise to just wait for lower prices to DCA into this one. I think this could be the bottom itself. All right. Definitely, you should pay attention to this one. And if you also check out this, the 𝗬𝗎 team is now doing strategic buybacks instead of just randomly buying back, at the highs as well as at the lows. There is a community engagement campaign, $1,500 giveaway, which is currently running. You should check out 𝗬𝗎_chill, this handle on X, their official X account, where you will get access to this giveaway as well. And then new artists are being onboarded. Flow remains strong AF, and a total of 9.48% supply has been locked till 2050, which basically means it is out of circulation forever, right? Now, you're not bullish enough. That is what I would want to say. Right here, you can see 70-second buyback and lockup is now complete for 𝗬𝗎. Buyback 27 SOL worth 𝗬𝗎 in 3 strategic buy transactions, supporting price floor and locked up until 2050. 2 million 𝗬𝗎 tokens. All right, you can check out how the community is forming behind this one as well. And then if I talk about KUSO as well very quickly, then again, guys, there is nothing bad about this token to say. I think it has been holding really well. And then this trend line has been also trending higher and higher. So if price comes back, into this region, to this trend line, then I would say that, this could be the region where we form the bottom in the shorter term, right around here. This is coming somewhere around like $1.2-1.3 million market cap. And then we are looking for a breakout here and higher prices on KUSO as well. This is not just a meme. This is a lot more. So make sure, guys, that you do your own research around KUSO, and then you will find your own conviction. All right. Talking about another play which I shared yesterday, and that is going to be Pokey. Now, this one is currently sitting at $581,000 market cap. I mentioned it on YouTube here itself at around $263,000. So it has already done more than a 2x, and I think it is going to go higher because the volume has been consistently increasing. When the volume increases with a higher high, that basically means we are looking for further continuation, right? Now, again, guys, nothing is financial advice. Make sure that you do your own research around these plays. There is another play that I entered today inside Kuroshi's private, and that was sitting at like $40,000-50,000 market cap. Right now, it is sitting at $120,000. And if you want to get access to these early plays, then guys, make sure that you join Kuroshi's private. There is a waiting list for monthly subscription. You can sign up to that. Whenever, we get a new slot opening, you are going to get access as well. Apart from that, if you want instant access, then the yearly subscription is the way to go. Definitely check that out. The link is given in the description section below. Now, guys, coming back to right here, I believe Black is going to do pretty well, and that is why I have scooped some amount right here itself. I think it has basically bottomed out at like $30-35 million market cap. So this is looking really good in my opinion. Apart from that, guys, if I talk about other plays, then we have this right here. This is also on AVAX. This is the Godzilla Games official token. The ticker is GUN. All right, currently sitting at $28 million. And I believe, guys, that this one is also very close to the bottom, if not already bottomed out. We have a very nice double bottom formation right around here. If you're looking for gaming plays, if you're thinking that, there is going to be a gaming season, this was the most hyped launch of this entire cycle, the Godzilla Games token. All right. So definitely pay attention to this one. I think it has right now bottomed out very nicely. If you also plot a trend line right here, we have a nice breakout. This is also getting some nice volume here on this breakout, which basically means I'm looking for higher prices on GUN token as well. All right. Apart from that, guys, there is the official DEX, the largest DEX on AVAX, and that is Trader Joe. Now they have changed it to LFJ, but the token remains the same. It's Joe right here, currently sitting at $78 million market cap. Again, this also feels like it has bottomed out. We have a consistent floor at like $52 million market cap, and currently we are seeing a bounce. So definitely this is also a good play, a good beta play in my opinion to AVAX. If AVAX does a 5x, this could be doing a 15-20x easily, and if AVAX does a 10x from the current prices, this would become a 50x runner in my opinion. Definitely guys, not financial advice, but I am just giving you absolute alpha right now. If you pay attention, you are going to win in my personal opinion. All right. And if you also check out LFJ's X handle, then you can see right here, just 18 hours ago, they launched Token Mill. This is a brand new game for the trenches with big volatility and even bigger God candles. So basically what Token Mill is, it's basically promoting meme coins on AVAX. It's like Pump Fun of AVAX, like Pump Fun is of Solana. So this one is for AVAX in my opinion. And definitely this has been doing really well as well. Right here you can see it has just started. It has been just 18 hours. All right. So I'm giving you absolute alpha. Pay attention to these tokens right around here. Maybe some of these tokens actually run really well. All right. Apart from that, guys, there are definitely other meme coins as well on AVAX, which I absolutely like. There is this one, the largest runner in the previous run, where, we got this hype around meme coins on AVAX. This was 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. The ticker is COQ. Then we also have 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. AVAX has 𝗕𝗘𝗪. Then this one recently pumped Lambo. And then we have other tokens as well. Of course, Kimbo is also a good one. And then we have 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗓. There are many. Wolf as well, Land Wolf, right? It's a Mad Fury character, red character on the red chain. So these are the plays basically, you can actually look it for yourself. And if you find something where you can find your conviction, then definitely ape that as well. I'm not going to call meme coins on AVAX on YouTube, but I will be mentioning these inside 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗧𝗧 private. So if you're interested to join that, then definitely the link is given in the description section below. And that is basically everything, guys, from this short and simple episode, but absolutely packed with alpha for those who are able to see. All right. If you enjoyed watching it, make sure that you drop a like and also smash that subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon so that you can be notified whenever I put up another update. That's all, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep hustling.
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.